Hello, how are you guys today? Welcome to my first ever video with Mystical Firefly.
Hey guys.
Today, we are going to try making each one of us laugh. It's kinda like try not to laugh.
Yay! Well, who's going first?
I'm going first. You have 3 attempts to not laugh. If I win, you got to do a dare. And same if you win. Yeah, B-O-E!
Nice try, but it didn't make me laugh.
R-Y-U-U-Ha Wagateki Sokarai.
What on the earth did you say?
It was Hanzo's ultimate you stupid bag of apples. Did you just wheeze?
I'm so sorry. That was so funny. Now it's my turn. Oh, I can't say it. It's Genji's ultimate. Was it Kamake? Something like that. I don't know.
I can say it. Ryujin no Ken Sokarai. You give up. Ha 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 ha. I win.